I just want to put some things in perspective regarding the investigation surrounding former Minister of Government Floyd Green. On the 15th of September, I got a video from the Commissioner of Police. I was not certain what the video was about, so I made contact with the Commissioner, and he highlighted the fact that it is said that it was a party that was held. We were not certain exactly where and when the party took place. I immediately sent the video to the Communication, Forensic and Cybercrime Division of the JCF for them to see if they could determine when that video was created, where and by whom. That was a Wednesday. Based on discussion, I was told that the incident could have happened sometime the Tuesday, the 14th. I assigned a Deputy Superintendent of Police to conduct investigation in the matter. On the 17th of September, the Deputy Superintendent and another investigator went to the particular hotel where they had a meeting with the management of the hotel. They actually looked at the hotel and identified location where the possibility of capturing CCTV footage. They identified those areas to the manager, and among other discussion they had, the manager indicated that in order for them to support what the police were actually doing, they will have to consult with their legal representative. On the 20th, the discussion that the police had with the management of the hotel were actually reduced in writing and sent to the manager. On the 22nd, a follow-up email was sent to the manager regarding the discussion and the undertaking. On the 23rd, a telephone call was made by the detective corporal who was assigned with the DSP to the management regarding the same issue. A formal notice was served on the institution. Thursday the 23rd, a formal notice, preservation of data notice, was actually served on the hotel. To date, we have not gotten any confirmation from the hotel regarding the accommodation of the investigators. What we are doing now is to apply to the court for the enforcement of the notice, which was issued actually under the Cybercrime Act. I also want to point out, and I wish those who have concerns to advise themselves of the amendment to the Act dated the 11th of August this year, where the clause which stated that person can move on a no movement day for the purpose relating to their office or the function that they do carry out. That has been removed, and there's a carte blanche movement given to them. And this includes certain categories of workers like cabinet ministers and a number of other persons. So I want to make it very clear to the public that the police is not tardy in their investigation and have not put this investigation on the back burner. I just want to make it very clear to the public that there's no double standard in relation to what we are doing. The fact is, we have assigned a senior investigator, a deputy superintendent. That's how serious we have taken the matter. But we have to follow protocol. An investigation, if we do not follow certain protocol, it will not stand up in court. And so we understand the public interest in this matter, but we have to make a distinction between the noise and the facts. And I think that is very important.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.